Understanding, back each other up, a key phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and useful phrase in the English language: back each other up. This expression is widely used in both formal and informal contexts, and understanding it can really help you improve your English communication skills. So, let's get started and explore what it means to back each other up and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, back each other up, refers to the act of supporting or helping someone, especially in difficult situations. It means providing assistance, support, or evidence to reinforce another person's point or position. This can be emotional support, physical help, or providing information to prove someone's point is valid. When we say people back each other up, we're talking about a mutual or reciprocal form of support. It's not just one person helping another. It's about a group of people, a team, or a pair who are ready to support each other whenever needed. This concept is fundamental in building trust and cooperation in various relationships and communities. To better understand how to use back each other up, let's look at some examples. In a team project, we need to back each other up to meet our project deadline. If someone falls behind, the rest of us should be ready to help out. Among friends, it's important that we back each other up. If someone is going through a tough time, we should be there to offer support. In a debate or discussion, when I present my argument, I need you to back me up with the data we found. These examples show how backing each other up can apply to different scenarios, emphasizing the importance of support and teamwork. Backing each other up is not just about offering help. It's about building a foundation of trust and reliability among people. It encourages a positive environment where people feel valued and supported, leading to stronger relationships and more successful outcomes in any collective effort. Whether in a family, among friends, or within a team, backing each other up creates a sense of security and belonging. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means to back each other up and why it's such an important concept in both the English language and in life. Remember, providing support to one another can make all the difference in achieving goals and overcoming challenges. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to back each other up in your daily lives. See you in the next video.